Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we learn how to create split text animation in After Effects. Now let's get started. First of all, we will create a new composition. We call it text. I'm using 1000 by 250 resolution at 30 frames per second. Now type the text. Make sure text alignment is in center. After that, we will again create a new composition. This time we use full HD resolution at 30 frames per second. We call it outline text. Now drag and drop the text composition. Then we change its size to 162. We will duplicate it and change its matte to alpha inverted matte. Then add simple choker effect on first composition. Change choke matte value to 5. We are going to create last composition. We call it main. Now drag and drop the text composition. Then we change its size to 162. We will add CC split effect on it. If you see this warning icon, then go to File, Project Setting. Open Color, and change it to 16-bit. Now we will change X.A value to 14.5. And add keyframe. Then come at 2 seconds, and change value to 250. Now come at 3 seconds, and add point B keyframe. Then go to 3 seconds, and change value to 250. Friends, make sure collapse transformations is turned on. Now we are going to change split value to 100. Then we change all keyframes to easy ease. And let's preview it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on Twitter. Please give your 1 minute to check my Gumroad account. All the links are below. Now copy the split effect by Ctrl+C. And paste it on both layers of the outline composition. Let's preview it. Cool. And make sure collapse transformations is turned on both layers. Now drag and drop the outline composition. Then we add echo effect on it. In echo effect, change time to -0.007. Change number to 35. Decay to 0.90. Now we will add gradient ramp effect. In gradient ramp, we change start and end color to something like that. After that, we will add glow effect. In glow effect, change threshold to 20, intensity to 0.6. Now duplicate the effect, and change radius to 450, intensity to 0.5. All the setting is done. Now let's preview it. Our today topic is complete. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on my Instagram account. Please don't forget to leave your feedback. Your feedback is very important to us. We will meet on next tutorial, and be happy.